What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be doing a repair on this shingle right here. You see the creasing on it. You see there's no creasing on any of these shingles, no tears, nothing. So we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into it. Sorry about the lawnmower in the back. Hopefully it isn't too loud for y'all. Yeah, so first up, that one's already unsealed. This one should be unsealed. Trying to be as gentle as we can here. You can see I got a rip already on that shingle. See, we already have a small tear. But this one's unsealed. Next up, we're going to lift this up, locate that nail. We're not lifting these shingles up too high. We're lifting them up just high enough to where we can locate those nails and remove them. You have to get that one. Pull through. Nice again. Not lifting the shingle up high at all. We're just trying to find those in place. I love using this tool because you don't have to. Like if it pulls through, you can just, it slides up all the way. So I don't have to like manipulate it as much. Let's see here. Okay, you see right here? I'm literally just put my finger under here to try to lift it up to find it, and it just tore right there, and it tore right there, right? That's just for me trying to lift it up just enough to locate that nail. Right. Trying to be gentle as possible here. Right, now this shingle should slide right on out. Woo. Okay. Hold on. Let me get that other shingle real quick. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, so now we'll gently slide this up. Okay. See it? Line up perfectly. Do I see us? Alright, next. We're just going to hammer this in. Again, we're not lifting the shingle up too high. Just high enough to where we can get that nail in. Now we have to putting it back in the same spot that it was in before, because there's a hole there in the shingle. So we want to make sure that hole gets filled. But with the condition of the roof, it's going to be very hard to do so without causing more damage. But we're going to try as hard as we can. right, on right, or left. Okay, right in that nail line, right where it's supposed to go. Right when it come right here, just barely lift me up there. Right, it's very hard. And if we use the nail gun, we would have to lift these up to a 90-degree angle so that we can shoot it in. We're using a hammer, so we don't have to lift it up that high. But as you can see, there's still damage that's occurring. But right here. Perfect. All right. Can you hold both? All right. So now the repairs are done. Well, the repair is done. But as you can tell, did you have the chocolate or did I have the chocolate? I had it, didn't I? Boom. Alright. So as you can tell, well, and I'm also seeing some creasing going on. So if you let me just very gently get those granules off. You can see where there's some creasing going on right here. Some creasing going on right there. If I go like that, you should be able to see that. Not too much going creasing right there, but it's definitely on this one right here and on this tab right here. We got some creasing going on. Now, if you look right here, you can also see some creasing. I don't know if y'all can see that. Bare lifting the shingle up, but there are definitely some creasing right here and also at the top right there. Okay, so you have creasing, creasing, creasing. If you look here also, see that tab actually broke, right? So we have that as well. We've got some more creasing going on right here. Same type of deal, right? We didn't lift the shingle up too high. We weren't being extra or anything like that. We got tears right here. Okay, we got one tear, two tears. This tear right here on the side, as you can see. We've got damage right here. Okay, you can just see how it just crumbled. Damage there, tears, creasing, everything, right? So even with gentle care, this thing is just not repairable. There's no way we can do this. We appreciate y'all watching, and I hope y'all see that we did try this with the willingness to make it pass. It's just not possible with a roof in this condition. Thank you so much for watching.